Hello everyone. We are here at Dimsum Kitchen near Gagpa. Huh? Muna ang ilang murag. Panington pa sa Kalami. Pero na mo lagi ilang brand. Galalis pa mi. So, also known as Panington ka sa Kalami. The place is actually clean. They have branded bottles for the vinegar and the fish sauce and the ketchup. And we're still waiting for our food because they cook some of their products upon ordering. So we're waiting for the steamed rice, umba with rice, tempura, squid roll, and siomai. Check later. Siomai. Umba. Steam rice. So, paano picture lang?
Ha?
Paano picture?
O anong?
Tempura.
Ano ko dito?
Ano yung siomai? Siomai na fried. Naapot siya problem sa yung autofocus lang. Hindi siya autofocus. Hindi siya mo focus. Tapa ko yung rice.
Saya ko.
Hello. I'm done eating. Their food price actually range from cheapest I see for the meals is 30 pesos, the Chinese ngoyong, with 1 cup rice and add 10 pesos for the fried egg. They also have 25, the all vegetable lumpia tauge. And they have other silogs ranging from 35 to 55. They also have a siopao. So it's actually a dim sum, so expect to have Chinese food available, like wonton, beef noodle soup, siopao, moyong, paikwan, fried rice, the one we ate.
Steamed rice.
Steamed fried rice. So, sorry na good luck. And they're open 24 hours. So this is only located in front of Tambayan in Escabahog Street, just beside Gagpa Tower. So highly recommended, very cheap and affordable value meal. Thank you so much. Have a great day.